Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Thunderbird on your Windows operating system. Thunderbird is an excellent mail client from the developers of Firefox. It makes emailing safer, faster, and easier. Alright, let's get started. Double click Microsoft Edge, type Thunderbird download, click on it. Now click on anyone that says add, click on this official one. This is the official website, and click free download, and it's downloading here for us. Give it a few. Alright, this is just the donate page. Alright, we could run the installation from here. However, close this out, go to your downloads, go to downloads here, double click Thunderbird setup. Let's close this out here. It's extracting. Click yes for permissions. Just click next. You may choose whichever one you want to, but we're gonna leave it at the default. And this is asking you use Thunderbird as your default mail application. We're gonna leave it as at that for now. Click install and click finish to launch it. Alright, so this is Thunderbird. It created a desktop icon for us, and if you want to set up your email, just fill this out: your name, your email address, password, and continue to follow the prompt. Okay, last thing we're gonna set it as pin it to your taskbar. Just right click and pin to taskbar. Okay, that's all for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel from the team here at Install Easy. See you next time.